Hello everyone, this is Amar Shah from Cricket Online. We have the fourth box of SS over here. FedEx is slowly delivering all these boxes, so I am making these videos as well as soon as I get them, because I want to make sure that I open these boxes in front of you guys as soon as possible and go through these goodies what Dipesh has selected and Jatin Sarin has helped. All right, let's see the first thing. Okay, looks like we are going to see some junior bats in here and some player bats in here, but let's double check. All right, the first one itself is a original player cricket bat. You can see the bat cover is different. This is Shivam Dube oval handle cricket bat, 1190 grams. Look at the profile. Says Shivam Dube over here. Unfinished toe. As you can see, the original player cricket bats will have that. Nice bulge over there. Very thick profile. 1190 grams, but feels like 1150 grams when I pick it up. Very light in pickup. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 grains on this one. Original player bat of Shivam Dube. Indian cricket player, hard hitter, finisher. He does his role. He's been one of the player who is not celebrated enough, but he has played those vital knocks at the stages where India needed runs. He was there to do the partnerships. He also have bowled few difficult overs in the end. So I like him as a cricketer. Not too much celebrated, not too much extravaganza, but he does his job. Oval handle cricket bat, original player cricket bat. Very dark grey. Oh my god, this is awesome. Wow. Yeah, I mean, what else you need, right, from a cricket bat which is going to perform from ball one? Mind-blowing. Bat number one of Shivam. I need to write this for sure because people are going to get confused. I am going to get confused, and my guys are going to get confused and they're going to yell at me. So I don't want to do that. I'm going to write this number one, Shivam Dube. Packs a punch. All right, next one. In this box is lightweight bat, 1170, but feels lighter. This is a World Cup 2026 cricket bat. So this is a World Cup edition. Wow, look at this. There are only 92 out of 400 bats. This is number 92 bat. This is a numbered bat. For the World Cup they have made. Looks good, at least from pressing wise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 grains on this one. This is lot of cleft over here, so this is a little bit of a bottom heavy. Definitely need one more grip for sure. Let's check the ping on this one. Oh my god, look at this ping on this one. Yeah, this is awesome. This is bat number 2, but this is 92 of 400. Remember, they have made only 400 bats for this thing, and this one I'm marking them, I'm numbering them from our thing. This is bat number 2. However, this is limited edition 92nd number of out of 400 bats which they have made for World Cup edition 2026 World Cup, which of course just commenced Okay, there is a 95 which also we got. 95 out of 400. Lot of grains on this one. Only 1175 grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, let's do 13 grains. Look at this. Amazing, right? 95 of 400 limited edition cricket bat 2026. So anyone who is looking for a memorable memoria, where's the football? I keep losing, huh? All right, here. Memorabilia. There you go. Check it out. Ooh, look at that. I have not middled it yet. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Nice. So that's bat number 3. Let's make sure. Number them. Okay. I'm numbering them because these are really good bats. Okay, we have third 2026 World Cup edition cricket bat. Nice. We got some lottery. This one is number 49 of the 400 bats. 1180 grams. Doesn't feel like that. Thick profile again. Thick bottom. I mean, this is consistent. Let's see, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 grains on this one. Limited edition, number 49, T20 World Cup 2026 edition. Slim handle, round handle. Check the ping out. Okay, I'm not trying to hit it hard. Nice. Okay, cool. Now that's that. We're going to open Sky. This one is not. This is okay. This is a Harrow. I thought so. This is a Harrow size. So this is a junior bat. Sky. Nice, right? Look at the bulge on this bat. It's a Harrow size cricket bat, junior bat. All right, let's keep moving. Okay, there you go. There's another T20 World Cup edition 2026. Bat number 103 of 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. As we see, as you can see, we have hand selected this bats. So it's not going to be in numerical order. Thick edges on this one, thick bottom. This is more of a bottom profile or you know, mid to low profile, and ping is amazing as well. Okay, all right, let me write it down. Did I throw the pen away now? Okay, there we go. Bat number 4, 1190 grams on this one. I'm numbering them because these are limited edition cricket bats. So I want to make sure that there's another junior bat over here of Sky Harrow. So all the junior cricketers, we have not forgotten you guys. We made sure that we hand select the bats for you guys as well. All right, moving on to another original player cricket bat. Let's see. Original player cricket bat of Suryakumar Yadav. He's in the house. 1170 grams, Suryakumar Yadav. There you go. Unfinished toe, Suryakumar Yadav. I mean, the pressing tells you something here. Look at this face. This is original player bat of Suryakumar Yadav himself. Our captain for T20 World Cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 grains on this one. 1170 grams. Picks up light. And the ping is awesome. I think there were people who were looking for Sky's bat. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Bat number 5 is original player bat of Suryakumar Yadav. Okay, bat number 5, original bat of Suryakumar Yadav. Alright, let me put it here. These are the special bats. Okay, next original player bat. Is of, oh, this is not the original player bat, but this is the top of the line bat. Gladiator. Finally, I like this new sticker. I did not like the previous stickers of SS Gladiators. I love this sticker. And this bat is awesome as well. 1175 grams. This is no less than original player cricket bat. Gladiator has been pinnacle of the bat for SS, like a signature series. Semi-oval handle on this one, 1175 grams, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grains on this one. Very, very clean profiles and very, very straight grains. Let's check out the ping. Okay, look at that. And this is Gladiator. So it's Gladiator, guys. It's been their one signature series, right? All right, so let's number it. This is bat number 6. All right, next, let's move on to the next one. These are very, very expensive bats over here. Original player bat of Tilak Varma. Again, 2 times T20 World Cup champion. Mumbai Indians heartbeat, I would say. Really nice. This is the one which has a rounded toe over here. Look at this. Look at the face of this bat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Really nice and straight grains. Only 1155 grams. Oof. All right. So this is like 2.8. This is lightweight. Very lightweight. Oh, look at that. All right. All right. Number 7. 7 for a reason. Number 7 is Tilak Varma, original player cricket bat. Lightweight and a bonker for bat. All right, let's put it slowly here. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is here. Virat Kohli's cricket bat over here. Virat Kohli, and it is called Super Select. So this means, when it says Super Select, this means this is above the original player cricket bats. What you get, this one is graded by Jatin Sarin himself as a Super Select. You know how we hand select all these bats? He has named this, when he selects the bat out of the player bats, Super Select. 1150 grams only, so very lightweight cricket bat. Look at how clean this face is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Really nice straight grains. And let's do the ping. And of course, it's a Super Select. You can hear that. You can hear that effect as well in the bat, in the ping, right? It's like boom, boom, boom. It hits that note. All right. This one is bat number 8. Symbol of an infinity. Wow. Whew. Virat Kohli. Next one. Next one is heartthrob of Indian cricket team. New sensation of Indian cricket team. the opener of Indian cricket team, Abhishek Sharma. 1165 grams. Round handle. My God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm already saying my God because I can see the balance is awesome. I can see the pressing is amazing. And you will see that, you will hear that when I ping it. Look, look. Now this is quality. It's top quality, top-notch cricket bat, top-notch. Loved it. This box has like made me smile so wide. I mean, all right. Last but not let me write down the number 9. Number 9, Abhishek Sharma. All right. And number 10. Number 10 is another Gladiator. 1160 grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grains. Look at how nice and clean and straight the grains are. Look at the pressing. I mean, you guys can hear when I ping it. Traditional profile. Oh, wow. Like the new stickers of Gladiator. All right. Yeah, Gladiator. Wow. All right, I broke my finger or something. That's SS Gladiator, 1160 grams, so lightweight cricket bat. Bat number 10. So this box has made me smile. Dipesh, amazing job. Thank you very much, Jatin Sarin, for selecting bonker of these bats. Love it. We're going to sell this really quickly and we are going to come for the next batch. Stay tuned. I still have one more box to open which FedEx has given to us. So stay tuned. Coming soon next. Thank you very much. Bye.